Welcome to video 1 account opening tutorial in the Journey to Job LinkedIn series by Bloomy Technologies. I am Emmanuel. In this video, you will learn how to open a LinkedIn account, what you need, and the most basic setup you will be prompted to do. If you haven't, kindly subscribe. Now let's jump into the screen. In order to create a LinkedIn account, you need an email or a phone number. And in some cases, you need both. Be sure to use an email or phone number that you have instant access to. For the onboarding process, you need to fill in a career experience or set up your profile as a student. Once you have all of that ready, head over to linkedin.com using your web browser on your mobile device or computer. You can also download the application to your device. For this tutorial, I will be making use of the web on my mobile phone just to show you how easy it is to set up regardless of your device. First step, launch your web browser, type in linkedin.com into the address bar of your web browser, and you should land on a web page that looks exactly like this, which you can see on my screen. Once you're on this web page, look to your top right side and try to locate the Join Now button. Click on that virtual button and another page will load on which you can input your email, phone number, and other details. Go ahead, input your email. Based on popular experience, making use of an email from the get-go gives you a richer and smoother experience of the website. Once you're done inputting your email, go ahead and click the Continue button to unveil other fields where you will need to fill in your password, first name, and last name. And just in case you already have those fields unveiled, input the requested details into those fields accordingly. Your password, your first name, and your last name. Be sure to choose a very strong password. Confirm all details are correct. Once you're done, hit the Accept and Join button, and on the next page, be sure to pass the security verification, oftentimes a reCAPTCHA puzzle to prove that you're human. Click Verify, and on the next page, fill in your location as part of the basic onboarding details required to create your profile. Tap on Continue at the page bottom once you're done. On the next page, fill in your most recent experience. Tap in the box and fill in your job title. A work experience you've gathered in the past or present that can spell out your career path. Project experience, internship experience, full-time, part-time contract, whatever kind of experience that you have, just input it there as long as it relates to your career path. It's valid. Next, fill in your job employer. Tap Done, but if you have no work experience at this point, turn on the toggle I am a student. Otherwise, turn it off, look to the bottom and click on Continue. Next, confirm your email with a 6-digit code sent to your inbox. After confirming your email, you can decide to skip other things and get welcome into your profile, or fill them step by step following the process before getting welcome to your profile. If you decide to skip, you will have the opportunity to fill your profile later with many more details professionally. But if you wish, you can patiently follow through the rest part of the onboarding, filling in the necessary details in the necessary places and ticking the necessary things. I'm just going to speed through all of these, and in the next video, I am going to teach you how to set up your profile professionally and begin getting tractions from day one. Remember, the rule is media exposure for the career you're building and the professionalism that you have. See you in the next video.